Good Friday morning, guys. So it's already Friday, and of course, it's an eventful weekend in Cebu because the IronMan is back, and it's actually gonna cross the CCLEX. Wow! So they changed the routes because the CCLEX is there. They changed the route because to make it more scenic, and of course to involve this new bridge. I just don't know what. I just don't know. How is it for the racers? Because some roads, I think in Lapu-Lapu especially, aren't as ready. I mean, this new route is not as big as the old route, which is just highways. Here, I think you have to pass by some smaller road streets, especially the Cordova side. But we'll see. And good luck to all triathletes who are gonna join this Sunday's race. And today is Friday morning. It's the Friday morning rush to work. It's already 8 a.m. and yes, a lot of cars going back to the city. I mean, going to Cebu City, not back. But yes, last night it was a rainy night. Grabe ang uwan. It rained for hours and hours, and there were several streets in Cebu that were flooded. I hope you are dry right now, safe and dry. Yes, I'm sure, pretty sure, yes, that rain was really, really crazy last night. Even our roof, we had some drizzle inside the house. Pero wala. It's time to check your roofs, guys, to plug all those holes, because rainy days are here. Are here to stay. I mean, so wala. Oh, they're going to CCLEX. Motorcycles are allowed to go to CCLEX, across the CCLEX, and us, we are just enjoying this glorious view of Cebu City early in the morning. So how are you guys doing? I hope you are all fine. It's already a weekend, and it's gonna be a busy few days again for me. I mean, today we are going to the exhibit. It's the Mandaue Expo, featuring products of Mandaue, part of the Mandaue Business Month, courtesy from our friends from Mandaue Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Hello guys, hello MCCI. And yes, the Mandaue business community has always been it's also active, and it's nice to see organizations doing events, mobilizing, helping smaller businesses promote. It's time really to promote, because we're getting back on our feet, and we're trying to any good events or promotions will really give a lot of mileage. So tomorrow, tomorrow I think Madrid Senator Amy Marcos, and they have this movie called Made in Malacañang, which is quite controversial, by the way. Yeah, I just saw that scene that the late Cory Aquino portrayed by an actress, playing mahjong with the nuns. It's just interesting. Nuns and Cory playing mahjong. So it's kind of fun lang. All again, we sometimes films have the liberty to, they call it artistic freedom to change stuff, like like that. I don't know where they got that, pero quite controversial. And there's a new film about Lapu-Lapu and Magellan called 1521 with Bea Alonso and some actors like Danny, that guy, the tough guy Danny, the one in Con Air, playing as Magellan. Oh, diba? So it's shot in Palawan, but I don't know kung lang ba. I don't know what's their angle also again with that. If they're gonna make it a love story, then which I don't know how would we how it would it kuan ba? How will it really be historical, or is it a historical fiction? We'll see. Man, on Sunday it's IronMan. Oh, diba? IronMan, and there are a lot of pageants as well. Wow, busy, very busy. And there's so busy day. So we're just gonna go here at Osmeña Boulevard to see, kumusta ang kanina dalan, like at places like Colon after the rains, But yeah, we're going towards Santo Niño Church, Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. It's a beautiful day. So the sun is out, but the clouds are still lingering. Masses are back to normal. So the kind of nimbaron, because it's a Friday, and listen to that. So that's the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu, the home of the famous Santo Niño. Part of the story, I think, I don't know if they're gonna touch the story, those details like Santo Niño in the new film. That will have, I think, Lapu-Lapu for sure, Magellan, and so mauna. Interesting times ahead, and I think COVID in the Philippines is on the rise, especially I think up north in some provinces. So I just don't know how serious, because we're talking about numbers here, and those are positivity rates, but before we have classifications like asymptomatic and stuff like that. I don't know. Basta they just have, they had a 6-month high on daily increase in COVID cases. So, well, mona, let's still be careful. Boost our immunity. Wear masks. Don't be too complacent when it comes to social distancing, talking, and kuan lang ba. Yeah, especially now that you're gonna ride, public vehicles, people, road buses, and then jeepneys, and you're gonna be close to each other. You're gonna be beside people. But the good thing now, I notice also, mask yapon ng mga tao. They're masking up. So now we're here in Colon Junction. It's a pretty morning. So okay ra, mara magway pigtong baha. So okay na dire. Limpyo ramang daan. Diba? But yes. Anyway, mauna. I miss you good guys. It's been a while. I mean, wala ko naka-upload of daily videos. I'm very sorry. It's my fault. Sometimes good busy lang. But I'm back, and of course, giving you little tidbits about Cebu, the happenings in Cebu in the past, couple of days, diba? So, or even the Philippines. So, nilisto na ni daghan kay kuan. Maganing kuan sa jeep. They just stop to get passengers, and then kuan. Pero mao gina because usabot lang ta. Because we were also, we can in some days kitam sa ng pasahero, kinahanglan gyud to na sakto na share the road. Patience lang. So we're approaching kuana. We're here at Osmeña Boulevard. So sa may kuan ba story, si Mike Rama din nagka-COVID but is asymptomatic, but sometimes lagi mayors ba ka, you have events, you mingle with a lot of people, take photos, make pictures. Parang you have to take care of our, kaya mga leaders na to, dapat di sila magkumpiyansa. So na guys, ingat gyapon ta during this rainy seasons, na yung mga baha, di ba? So careful lang when you go to places with like rivers, or if you're living near rivers. Ingat gyapon kasi na yung mga reports about baha, mga naanod, na lumos. So especially during this rainy season, lagi mga kadang tayo mag-uwan, and then hubog kaya then mahug na nung kasapa ba mo pag so ay lang wag kuan. Careful lang gyapon ta. So I guess we expect kids to be back. It's in school this coming November. And then nani our OTC and grade 11 and 12. So mana marcha. So then some of the news there when it comes to national issues. Then we have new public officials, I think, mga na-appoint. Congrats to them. And of course, a lot of the staff of our new DOT secretary, who happens to be from Cebu, which is great. Si Diluan Mayor Cristina Frasco, a lot of her staff are from Cebu, which also gives a chance for Cebuanos to shine in the national picture. Hopefully they will do us proud. Hopefully mga tourism efforts will bear fruits, bear good results, diba? Mo nang na kuan lang, laban lang kayo. And I hope congratulations to all, like I think Attorney Lane Batan, and of course former DOT Regional Director Shalimar Tamano. We always see Boss Shalimar, RD Shalimar here in events. So congrats, because you're na DOT Undersecretary, di ba? So I think but for me naman sa mga appointments, it's all about confidence, friends na ni. And plus of course si Doc RD Tamano has been always been proactive here in Cebu. I've seen him always he's engaged, very engaged with the local tourism sector, the players here. It's a good thing. Si RD Shalimar is now an undersecretary. So anyway, money ang Mango Avenue. And probably, hopefully, we're praying for it by next year, diba? Hopefully this will be filled again with people for the Sinulog. Pohon. And our trip will end here. So I want to thank you for joining me on this trip on this lovely Friday morning. Cloudy but still lovely, of course. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you out there. Let's keep on supporting, spread the love. Bye. And see you na sa next na tong biyahe, kaon-kaon, suroy-suroy, uguman pa. And this is Carlo Olano signing out from Mango Avenue, wishing you a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye bye bye.